morning, dears. We have completed up to question number 41 in live class. Look at the question number 42. It says the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 300 meter. It has an area of 5600 meters square. Taking the length of the plot as x centimeter, calculate the breadth of the plot in the term of x, form an equation and solve it to find the dimensions of the plot. Now, you can see the perimeter of the plot is given 42. Perimeter of the rectangular plot is 300 meter. Length of the plot is equal to x. So the breadth of the plot would be P by 2 minus L. We have learned this formula. So what it will be? 300 it would be 300 by 2 minus L, or 150 minus L, or L was x meter. So what would be the area now? L into B is equal to area. Given area is 5600 meters square. So may I write this? X into 150 minus x is equal to 5600. Is it? Now it is in the term of equation. Is it? We have to solve this equation. This is question number 42, dear. Now we have to solve this equation. To get it, it gives you x into 150. That gives you 150x minus x square is equal to 5600. Now I will be bringing 5600 left side, then this is 0. Or may I arrange and change the sign? May I write this? You can see it was 150x as positive. I have converted as negative, and minus x square and minus 5600 is converted positive. Though it was negative, I have interchanged the sign. Is it? Now, we'll break it. The middle term will be broken. 70x minus 80x plus 5600 is equal to 0. Or x is common, x minus 70 minus 80 is common, x minus 70 is equal to 0. Or x minus 70 into x minus 80 is a 0. If x minus 70 is a 0, x is 70, or x minus 80 is 0. So x is 80. Now you will say, ma'am, both are correct. Yes, because if the length would be 70, breadth is 80, and if the length is 80, breadth is 70. So they have asked you the dimension of the rectangular plot. So dimension of the plot we can write 80 into 70. Dimension of the plot is equal to 80 into 70 meters square. Is it? This will be the dimension, because the length and breadth can be written vice versa. Is it? You can see the beginning of the question where we have taken the length x. So found the breadth in the term of x, and here it is completed. This is question number 42. Question number 43. Here it says, find the area of a quadrilateral field whose sides are 12 meter, 9 meter, 18 meter and 21 meter respectively. And the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. Take the value of under root 6 as 2.5. So let us see. We'll draw a figure. We'll draw the figure of a quadrilateral, which are the sides of a quadrilateral are given. Question number 43. meter, 9 meter, 18 meter and 21 meter. A, B, C and D. This is given 12 meter, 9 meter, 18 meter and 21 meter. Is given angle between the first two sides is 90 degree, right angle, is it? Now you have to get the area of this quadrilateral. What can I do? I can join this AC. Once the AC is joined, in triangle ABC, may I get the length of AC? In triangle ABC, AC is equal to under root 12 square plus 9 square. May I write it according to Pythagoras theorem? Or it gives you 144 plus 81 meter square or 15 meter. Once AC is found 15 meter, we can get the area of both the triangles. Triangle ABC using half into base into height and triangle ADC using the Heron's formula. Is it? Once the areas are found, you can add it up. You will have the area of quadrilateral. This is question number 43. I hope there is no doubt. Again I am saying you, area of this ABC will get half into base is 9, height is 12. And this will use formula S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So once the areas are found, we can find the area of quadrilateral. Question number 44. It says, find a diagonal of a quadrilateral whose area is 756 centimeters square and the perpendiculars from opposite vertices are 17 centimeter and 19 centimeter. Is a quadrilateral. This diagonal I didn't know. This perpendicular is 19 centimeter and this perpendicular is 17 centimeter. Is it? These are the perpendiculars given to us. And the area of quadrilateral is given. Area of quadrilateral is equal to 756 centimeters square. This area is given to you. Now, let ABCD be a quadrilateral in which ACBX I have taken. So, area of triangle ACX DF 19 centimeter and BE 17 centimeter. So, area of triangle ABC would be half into X into 17 centimeter, or it gives you 17 centimeters square by 2. We got the area of ABC. Similarly, we will get the area of ADC. That will be this is ABC. We have got area of triangle ADC. It will be half into x into 19 centimeter square, or this is 19 by 2 centimeter square. Once we add the area of these two triangles, that will give you the area of quadrilateral, which is 756 centimeter square. So let us add both the areas. According to the question, 17x by 2 plus 19x by 2 is equal to 756. Now once we solve this, 2 36x is equal to 756, or x is equal to 756 into 2 by 36. We can cancel it. X is equal to 42 centimeter. So the diagonal is equal to 42 centimeter. So this only we had to find. We had to find the diagonal. We have found the area of both the triangles, that is implemented with 756. You can see the full sum now. Now this is the first portion and this is the second portion. So diagonal is 42 centimeter. This is for question number 44. Question number 45 says a wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 16 centimeter square. 45. A wire is bent in the form of square. So area is equal to 16 centimeters square. Is it? So what would be the side under root 16 centimeters square is equal to 4 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square is equal to length of the wire is equal to 4 into 4 centimeter, 16 centimeter. Now we have got the length of wire. Further it is bent in the term of rectangle or in the term of equilateral triangle. Those areas we have to find. The first it is asked, it is bent in the form of a rectangle. A rectangle whose sides of a rectangle are in ratio 1:3. So the length would be 1/4 into 16, 4 centimeter, and width would be 3/4 into 16, 12 centimeter. So what would be the area of rectangle? So the area of rectangle is equal to 4 centimeter into 12 centimeter, or it gives you 48 centimeter square. Is it? Second, they have asked you to find the area of equilateral triangle. So what would be the side of equilateral triangle? Perimeter of triangle is equal to length of wire, 16 centimeter. So side of triangle 16/3 centimeter, or area of triangle would be √3/4 into 16/3 into 16/3 centimeter square, or it is 64√3/9 centimeter square is the area of equilateral triangle. Please write. Question number 46. A chessboard contains 64 equal squares and the area of each square is 6.25 meters square. A 2 centimeter wide border is left inside the board. Find the length of side of a chessboard. Now, you can see question number 46. This is a chessboard. Everywhere 2 meter wide border is 2 centimeter wide border is left. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Now this is covered with the squares this way. There are 64 squares. Is it? Now area of one square is 6.25 centimeter square. You have to get this side. It's asked, a chessboard contains 64 equal squares and in the area of each square is 6.25 centimeter square. A chessboard has 64 squares. Area of one square 6.25 centimeter square. So the area of 64 squares would be what will be the area of 64 squares? Can you tell me? 64 into 6.25. It will be 64 into 6.25. 25 centimeters square. Till here no problem, I think. Now once we have the area of this drawing section, we can get the side of this drawing section where the squares are drawn. So the side of squares section is equal to under root 64 into 6.25 centimeters square, because we have area of this portion. Now we can get the side. I have not multiplied, you can see why, because I can write it immediately. It will be 8.25 centimeter. That is the side of only where the section where the squares are drawn. This gives you 20 centimeter. Is the side of this portion only this covered portion, this portion only. Now 2 centimeter this side, 2 centimeter this side. So what will be the side of full chessboard? According to the question, 2 meter, 2 centimeter wide border is left. Border is left all around. So the length of chessboard would be 20 plus 2 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. This would be the length of chessboard. Now the last question, I will be drawing the figure and explaining you that you have to find it. Is it? Question number 47. The cross section of a canal is a trapezium in shape. If the canal is 10 meter wide, this is a cross section of a trapezium. A cross section of a canal which is 10 meter wide on the top and 6 meter wide at the bottom. This is 10 meter wide and this is 6 meter wide at the bottom. Area is given 72 square meter. This height or this depth you have to find. What the formula we know? Half into h into sum of parallel sides. We know this. Now already we have area, so we can write it 72 square meter is equal to half into h into 10 plus 6 meter. Now you can find the value of h. The canal is that meter deep. So I think you can do it. You finished question number 47, and if there is a doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you dears.